Is your iPhone speaker suddenly not working? No sound or glitches? Try these fixes. Fix 1. Check silent mode. On newer iPhones, press and hold the action button. If you see silent mode, press it again to turn it off. On older iPhones, check the ringer switch on the side. Make sure it's flipped up, not down. Fix 2. Check volume levels. Press the volume up button several times. If it is showing full volume, now go to Settings app. Then scroll down and click on Sounds and Haptics. Make sure silent mode is turned off. The volume slider is turned all the way up. If it's still not working, try this. Fix 3. Check Bluetooth connections. Open Settings on your phone. Click on Bluetooth. If your iPhone is connected to a car, wireless earbuds, a Bluetooth speaker, your sound may be playing there instead. Turn Bluetooth off and test your speaker again if it is still not working. Fix 4. Clean the speakers. Dust and lint can block sound. Carefully clean the bottom speaker grills, the earpiece speaker at the top. Use a soft brush or dry cloth. Avoid sharp objects or liquids. Fix 5. Force restart your iPhone. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Release the button once you see the logo. This does not delete any data. If the speaker still doesn't work, fix 6. Reset all settings. Go to the Settings app. Tap on the General. Then scroll down and click on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. And select Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This resets system settings only. Your photos, videos, and apps stay safe. Fix 7. Test the microphone apps. Open the Voice Memos app. Record a short clip and play it back. If sound works here, the issue may be app-related. Go to the App Store. Search for the Voice Memos app. Update the app causing the issue. Or delete the app from the list and reinstall it from the App Store. If none of this works, so try. Fix 8. Update iOS. Go to Settings. Click on General. Then select Software Update. Install the latest version if available. Updates often fix bugs affecting sound and speakers. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe.